Mayong buntag, brothers and sisters in our Lord Jesus Christ. Another day, another sharing na punta with Kuya Nico. If you notice mga igsoon, gwapo kayang nasa itong background, no? So man ito makita na the beauty of nature, the beauty of God's creation, mga igsoon. As the Catholic faith teaches nga, creation is God's act of love. Creation comes to existence because God Himself is love. Therefore, He created creation not because of need or not because of loneliness, but it's because of love. And He wants to exist creation continuously through His love. And if manotice nato sa atong panahon karon, dagan kay tagod sa man abuses nga gakahitabo sa atong mother nature, sa created reality nga gibuhat sa atong Ginoo, mga igsoon. So we hope and pray na since the Lord has created this wonderful nature, world, and life that we have, let's use it according to God's will, mga igsoon, no? Let's use it na ang kagustuhan ni Lord is use it out of love. Na unsa man ang gugma, love is willing the good of the other as other. So let's use it not only for ourselves, but also for the benefit of the other unsa man people here on earth, dili lang para sa atong kaugalingon, mga igsoon, no? Let's learn to share, let's learn to use it for the greater good of everyone. Dagan na kay issue, dagan na kay problema sa mga project sa kalibutan sa Pilipinas, simba ko Lord, no? So let's work together. Let's start with a community that is praying and working together, for without God we cannot unsa man change ourselves, and we cannot use our life, the creation that He has given us, for the good of everyone. So we hope and pray, no? Let's come to the Lord, let's go back to the Lord through our simple prayers, Holy Mass, confession, and praying of the Rosary. Thank you so much. God bless.